Today I start my first lecture of English. In English, I give you knowledge about grammar. In grammar, there are 8 parts of speech. First is noun, second is pronoun, third is adjective, fourth is verb, fifth is adverb, sixth is preposition, 7 is conjunction, and 8 is interjection. The first parts of speech is noun, and now I describe noun. What is noun? A noun is a naming word. Any name, any special place of a name, any animal name, any name of our body parts is called noun. किसी भी नाम को हम नाउन बोलते हैं, जैसे कि किसी प्लेस का नेम, किसी एनिमल का नेम, या किसी हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स का नेम, या किसी भी लिविंग थिंग्स का नेम या नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स का नेम. किसी भी नेम को हम बोलेंगे नाउन. जो भी नेम है वो चाहे हमारे बॉडी पार्ट्स का नेम है, किसी प्लेस का नेम है, किसी सिटी का नेम है, किसी का भी नेम है, चाहे लिविंग थिंग्स या नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, किसी भी नेम को हम बोलेंगे नाउन. अ नाउन इज अ नेमिंग वर्ड. There are some examples of a noun such as a girl. Name of a human is girl, boy. Name of a place is, name of a city is Karachi. Name of a animal is camel, dog. Name of a body parts, legs. Name of a person, Sonia, Kiran. These are all the examples of noun. There are some types of a noun. The first type of a noun is a common noun. Any name which is common for all persons, all animals is called common noun. कोई भी ऐसा नाम हो जो सब में कॉमनली यूज़ होता हो, फिर चाहे एनिमल का नेम हो, किसी ह्यूमन का नेम हो, किसी का भी नेम हो जो कॉमनली यूज़ होता हो सबके लिए, उसको हम बोलेंगे कॉमन नाउन. सच एज सिटी. सिटी कोई भी हो सकता है. कंट्री. देयर आर सो मैनी कंट्रीज इन दिस वर्ल्ड, नॉट ओनली वन कंट्री इन दिस वर्ल्ड. कंट्री इज अ कॉमन. स्कूल. देयर आर सो मैनी स्कूल्स इन ओनली वन सिटी. That's why city is a common noun. Girls. There are so many girls in this world. Not only one girl in this world. That's why girls is common. City is common noun. Country is common noun. School is also common noun. Girls is also common noun. There is another type of a noun such as proper noun. Any name which shows proper sense, proper name of persons and proper name of animals and proper name of our body parts is called proper noun. The proper noun is like that the proper name of a person, the proper name of animal, the proper name of our body parts, the proper name of a city, the proper name of a country, the proper name of a school, the proper name of girl is called proper noun. Such as a name of a girl is Dinah. Girl is a common noun which is common for all. Girl is a common noun, and here is we give the name to a girl Dinah, and Dinah is a proper noun. Here is the name of a boy. Boy is a common noun, but the name of a boy is Nadeem. It is a proper noun. We give the proper name to a boy, that is called proper noun. The name of a the proper name of a body parts is called proper noun, such as kidney. The name of a city like Karachi. Karachi is a proper noun and city is common noun. There is third type of a noun is called collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a number or collection of persons or things taken together are called collective noun, such as community, army, family. A collective noun is like this: the number or collection of a persons. There are, if we such as army. In army there are so many members, there are so many persons. They combine together and make their army. There are so many persons in an army list. They combine together and work together. These are called the collective noun. The collection of persons, the collection of things, these are these are called the collective noun, such as community. There are so many communities in our country like Sindhi persons, Urdu. The community of a Sindhi is different. The community of a Urdu is different. The collection of persons or things, not only one person. There are so many persons, such as army. There are so many members in army team. There are so many members in a family. In one family there are so many members. These are called the collective noun. In family there are so many persons, there are so many cousins, there are so many cousins, there are so many members in only one family. These are all combined together are called the collective noun. And finally we give only one. There are so many members. They work together and we called them army. There are different profession in different field. There are so many persons. They combine together and make their team combine, and we called it collective noun. The collection of persons, the collection of things taken together are called the collective noun. Not only one person is called the collective noun. The collection of numbers, the collection of persons is called the collective noun. Now I start another type of a noun is countable noun. Countable nouns are the names of object, people, or can be counted in the form of digits is called countable noun. Countable noun वो हैं जिसको हम numbers मतलब डिजिट्स के फॉर्म में हम उसको काउंट कर सकते हैं, उसको हम बोलते हैं काउंटेबल नाउन. सच एज 1 बुक, 6 पेन्स, 1 डॉक्टर. काउंटेबल नाउन वो होते हैं जिसको हम डिजिट्स में काउंट कर सकते हैं, फिर चाहे वो ऑब्जेक्ट है या पर्सन है. ऑब्जेक्ट कौन से? बुक, 1 बुक, 6 पेन्स. These are the objects. 1 doctor is called countable noun. Now I start another type of a noun is called uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are the names of things which cannot be counted is called अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. अनकाउंटेबल नाउन वो होते हैं जिसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते डिजिट्स की फॉर्म में, जिसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. एग्जाम्पल मिल्क, ऑयल, गोल्ड, शुगर. Uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are always in singular form. It has not एनी प्लूरल फॉर्म. जो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन होते हैं उसको हम हमेशा सिंगुलर फॉर्म में ही रखते हैं. उसको कभी भी हमने प्लूरल फॉर्म में नहीं देखा है. जो मिल्क है उसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. ऐसे हम नहीं बोल सकते 2 मिल्क, 3 मिल्क, 1 मिल्क, या ऑयल भी है या गोल्ड है या शुगर को भी हम नहीं बोल सकते कि 1 शुगर, 2 शुगर. इसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. इसको बोलते हैं अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन हमेशा सिंगुलर फॉर्म में होते हैं. मिल्क कभी भी मिल्क्स नहीं बन सकता, ऑयल कभी भी ऑयल्स नहीं बन सकता, गोल्ड कभी भी गोल्ड्स नहीं बन सकता, शुगर कभी भी शुगर्स नहीं बन सकता. इसको हम हमेशा सिंगुलर फॉर्म में ही रखते हैं. इसको बोलते हैं अनकाउंटेबल नाउन, जिसको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. एंड काउंटेबल नाउन्स हैव बोथ टाइप्स, सिंगुलर टाइप आल्सो प्लूरल टाइप्स. जो अनकाउंटेबल नाउन होते हैं उनकी सिंगुलर फॉर्म भी होती है, प्लूरल फॉर्म भी होती है. सच एज 1 बुक, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन. 2 बुक्स, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ plural uncountable nouns. I prepared for you some practice test. I am confident after receiving my lectures, you will solve test very quickly and easily. Thank you for watching.